So we were asked to determine whether or not the husband can be eliminated as a suspect for killing his wife. To go about solving this, we use the Newton's law of cooling, which is Y equals CE to the KT plus T sub 0. So for our given information, we know that T sub 0 is 68 degrees Fahrenheit, since that's the temperature of the thermostat in the room, which stays constant. And we know that the woman's body temperature is 90.7 degrees Fahrenheit at T equals 0, or 9 a.m. And her body temperature is 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit at T equals 1, or 10 a.m. And this is when she is dead. So then we can start plugging in these values into this equation. So first we'll solve for C, and we put 90.7 for our Y and 0 as our T. So we can subtract 68, and we're left with C equaling 22.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we can solve for K. So that we'll put 89.6 for Y and then 1 for K, or 1 for T. And again, we'll do our algebra, subtract 68 and divide 22.7 to both sides, and then take the natural log of both sides to get rid of the E, and we're left with K equaling negative 0.050. So the next step is to actually find the time of the woman's death. So we found all of our other variables, and we know that the body temperature of a normal human is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's where her temperature would be right when she died, and it would cool down from there. So we can plug that in for our Y and solve for T. So 98.6 equals 22.7 E to the negative 0.050 T plus 68. So for the third time, we'll do our algebra, subtract 68 from both sides, and then we can divide by 22.7 from both sides, and then we can take the natural log of both sides to get rid of the E. So, and then we can divide by negative 0.050. So finally, we're left with T equals negative 6.012 hours. So then we can take our original time, 9 a.m., and subtract or add this number, and that would give us the time of the woman's death. So 9 a.m. plus negative 6.012 is 2.988, and that, if you convert that to time, it's 2:59 a.m. It's 2:59 a.m., so the woman died at 2:59 a.m. So the man is not guilty. So he can indeed be eliminated as a suspect because he arrived at the house 31 minutes after the woman has been killed. So there you go.